Hello, today we will sketch our cycle of the graph y equals -2 cosecant 2 pi over 3x, identifying amplitude, period, and the 5 major points. We must identify each x coordinate within the cycle. First, we must understand that this function is an inverse of the sine function. We can start by graphing the inverse of the cosecant function. Standard form is y equals a cosecant omega x plus b. We start by graphing y equals -2 sine of 2 pi over 3x. We know the amplitude is the absolute value of the coefficient of this function. The amplitude is 2, and we invert our function because it's negative, as seen here by the sine function. The range of our function we now know. It's between -2 and 2, and our domain is all real numbers for our sine function. Now we find our period. T equals 2 pi over omega, which is shown here 2 pi over 3. And we get 3 for our answer. To find the distance between each point, we divide our period by 4. The distance between each point is 3/4. We use our minimums and maximums of our sine wave to determine the local minimums and local maximums of our cosecant function. So, as you can see here, our range becomes our domain when we switch to our cosecant function. Our 5 major points here are 0, 0, 0.75, -2, 1.50, 2.252, and 30. When we switch over to our cosecant function, you could make a dotted line along these major points, and those become our local minimums and local maximums. And that is how you basically find the inverse function of the sine.